The tech world just shifted on its axis, and for the first time in a decade, the phrase laptop killer is no longer just marketing hype thrown around at flashy launch events. It's becoming something real, something tangible, something that is quietly taking shape behind the scenes in supply chains and early leaks. The upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is not just another yearly refresh with slightly better specs and a new coat of paint. What we are looking at here is a device that feels like a turning point, a statement that tablets are no longer secondary devices, but are ready to step into the spotlight as primary machines for work, creativity, and entertainment. From everything that has surfaced so far, Samsung is not playing it safe this time. They are pushing aggressively into territory that was once dominated by laptops and high-end desktops, and they are doing it with confidence. At the center of this transformation is the display, which has always been one of the defining features of the Ultra lineup. But this time, it is going beyond just being beautiful. The removal of the notch alone signals a major design evolution. Instead of compromising screen real estate for front-facing cameras, Samsung is reportedly perfecting its second-generation under-display camera technology. This means users are finally getting a truly uninterrupted viewing experience across the entire 14.6-inch panel. It's not just about aesthetics either. The implementation of Tandem OLED technology is expected to redefine brightness and durability in mobile displays. By stacking two OLED layers, the panel can achieve significantly higher brightness levels while also improving longevity, something that has been a concern for OLED panels over the years. A peak brightness of around 3,000 nits is not just impressive on paper, it changes how and where you can use the device. Outdoor usage, even in harsh sunlight, becomes practical rather than frustrating. Of course, a display like this needs a body that matches its ambition, and that is where the shift to a titanium chassis comes in. Moving away from aluminum is not just a cosmetic upgrade. Titanium offers a level of strength and rigidity that is crucial for a device this large and thin. At just around 5, maintaining structural integrity is essential, and this material choice suggests Samsung is addressing long-standing concerns about bending and durability in ultra-thin tablets. The result is expected to feel more like a precision instrument than a casual gadget, something that professionals can rely on without constantly worrying about fragility. It also adds a premium tactile experience that reinforces the idea that this is a serious computing device, not just a media consumption slab. Audio is another area where improvements are being pushed further. Tablets often struggle to deliver truly immersive sound, but with a redesigned quad-speaker system tuned for deeper bass and better spatial separation, the S12 Ultra is aiming to close that gap. Whether you are watching films, editing videos, or even just listening to music, the experience is expected to feel fuller and more dynamic. This matters more than people realize, because as tablets become more capable, they are also replacing more use cases that were traditionally handled by laptops paired with external speakers or headphones. Under the hood, the real story begins to unfold. The customized Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip is shaping up to be a powerhouse, with performance numbers that reportedly compete with laptop-grade processors. But raw CPU power is only part of the equation. The real shift is happening in how the device uses its neural processing capabilities. With an enhanced NPU, the S12 Ultra is designed to handle advanced AI-driven workflows directly on the device. This opens the door for a smarter multitasking system, one that can anticipate user behavior, optimize resource allocation, and streamline workflows in ways that feel almost intuitive. Combined with configurations offering up to 24 GB of RAM, the tablet is stepping into territory that was once reserved for professional workstations. This level of memory allows for heavy multitasking, complex creative applications, and even the possibility of running desktop-class environments or virtual systems without significant slowdowns. Connectivity is also evolving to support this new level of capability. With Wi-Fi 7 support, users can expect extremely fast and stable wireless connections, making cloud-based workflows smoother than ever. For those who rely on mobile connectivity, improvements in 5G efficiency ensure that performance remains consistent even when away from traditional networks. This is particularly important for professionals who need to stay productive on the move, whether they are uploading large files, participating in high-quality video calls, or accessing remote systems. The S Pen, a defining feature of the Galaxy Tab series, is also getting meaningful upgrades. The introduction of localized haptic feedback could dramatically change how users interact with the screen. Instead of a flat, lifeless surface, drawing and writing could start to feel more natural, with subtle vibrations mimicking the texture and resistance of real-world tools. This kind of innovation might seem small at first glance, but it has the potential to significantly enhance the experience for artists, designers, and note-takers who rely on precision and tactile feedback. Camera improvements, while not the main focus, are still important in a world where remote communication and content creation are more common than ever. Enhanced under-display cameras with better video capabilities and AI-assisted framing make the tablet more versatile for professional use, from virtual meetings to quick content recording. It's about ensuring that every aspect of the device contributes to its role as a primary computing tool. Battery life and charging are always critical factors, especially for a device that aims to replace a laptop. With a large battery capacity and significantly faster charging speeds, the S12 Ultra is addressing one of the biggest limitations of high-performance tablets. Being able to quickly recharge and get hours of usage in a short amount of time adds a level of convenience that aligns with modern, fast-paced lifestyles. All of these features come together to paint a picture of a device that is not just competing within the tablet category, but is actively challenging the role of traditional computers. The pricing reflects this ambition, positioning the S12 Ultra as a premium product for users who demand top-tier performance and versatility. While it may not be for everyone, it represents a clear vision of where mobile computing is headed. As the launch approaches, the anticipation continues to build. This is more than just another product release. It feels like a strategic move to redefine expectations and push the entire industry forward. Whether it succeeds in completely replacing laptops remains to be seen, but one thing is certain. The gap between tablets and traditional computers is closing faster than ever, and devices like the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra are leading that charge.